our Minecraft tutorial, I'm going to show you how to build a nether portal. Firstly, in Minecraft, you got to be in creative mode. Second, you need to go into the nature aisle and select obsidian. Third, you go to equipment aisle and select flint and steel. The nether portal was built 4 along, 4 high and 4 down, like this. To light the portal, you need to tap one of the blocks with your flint and steel. Now you're ready to jump through the portal into the nether world.